are watching IndiaNewsTamil.com.
with a quick gift voucher. So if you would indulge us for a moment, we're going to have them join us on stage. Please step forward. Beautiful. This is for you. To help you keep that radiant glow, a big round of applause to Orange Clinic. And of course, everybody in the audience will take home a gift voucher of rupees 5,000 each. All you have to do is head to the kiosk and collect it on your way out. So thank you so much to Orange Clinic once again. Thank you to the beautiful Shri Reddy. We'll now continue with our next sequence, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you so much. You know, I'm walking for the Prawolion show, and this Prawolion is this is the first show, and next this Prawolion is doing more shows in abroad and also in Goa and also Singapore, Malaysia, somewhere, you know, so many shows. So first show, I'm walking as a showstopper for Renault, and this dress designed by Renault. So we are very much happy, and thank you so much for this, you know. I'm very much happy you guys came here and covering me, and yeah. I'm feeling shy because those girls are very slim and I'm little bit bubbly because I'm a South Indian, you know.
Nothing
I'm
wrong.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Even my South people
That's
always
your-
they
that's
love
your highlight.
you know they love bubbly, chubbly, and all. So that's the reason. After I came to Chennai, wantedly put on little weight because they likes me like that only because you know you're you know watching my page, right? After I became chubby I got a lot of following, so I love to be like this. I don't want to put more weight, so put on
And,
more weight.
I'm also, to be honest, none. No, it's okay.
Kannada solunga, it's okay.
It's okay. No, I'm also very happy to get her as my showstopper.
All of the sudden we didn't
Yeah.
plan properly.
Yeah. To be honest, it's a surprise for me as well. Like, it was not planned also. Like, I just came there, and one of the other designer, I can't tell her name also. Like, her costume was not suiting her. So in the thing.
So suddenly we planned and
Yeah.
we got very bit and a tremendous
And I should
response.
say that I'm lucky to have her as my show.
Thank you so much, and also Tamil makkal ellarku thank you so much. Romba nandri, because I became very emotional because you know I'm not from here, but after I came to Tamil Nadu, these people encouraging me a lot, and
You're getting so much of
offers
response
also, and also you know
Respect
modeling or
also,
else
response also.
movie chances. Everybody is encouraging me. Um,
Don't be
no, this is very emotional time, and thanks to Prawolion at the same time Tamil makkalku alage you know directors and who is encouraging me, and also especially my special thanks to Sobna. She is from the beginning, she is encouraging me, and also Prabha, he is very much good to me, and seriously everyone, I don't want to forget anybody, so to everybody, she's Shobna, thank you so much.
Thank you, baby.
5 minutes. I tried only 5 minutes because you know I did எனக்கு ஆல்ரெடி தெரியும் மாடலிங் நியூயார்க்లో நான் பண்ணிட்டேன் ஆல்ரெடி அண்ட் ஆல்சோ துபாய்లో பண்ணிட்டேன் and
well-known
actually I
model from past 6 to 7 years.
but you know in India I didn't do much, but because of so many எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியுமில்ல problems இருக்கு, so now again I'm starting, so
And it's a very good beginning.
it's good beginning.
And I am also so lucky to have her as my model. எனக்கு தமிழ் தெரியும்னா
To be frank, when we just saw her in the backstage, we were like very surprised. Okay, when we saw her in the backstage, we were just saying that oh wow, she's this
Who's our
lady is here.
showstopper?
Okay,
This is our showstopper.
Yeah, and finally we got her as our showstopper. So there was all surprise. Okay, in the 5 minutes everything happened in our side, and like all happened like this. And now we are here in front of the media, and we are just talking in front of you guys. Like we feel like wow. Nothing other than that.
எனக்கு
Yes.
தெரியும் தமிழ் மக்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் சில்க் saree என்ன பிடிக்கும், but you know very soon we are planning silk saree also. We are giving a we are doing
the Indian traditional things we are planning up here also.
yeah.
This is kind of
Yeah, I love to wear sarees
just the
only. You know, sometimes with profession we should go on with the
Yeah,
flow. So
and this is not planned also. Just 5 minutes.
so I love to be in sarees because that is our tradition. I respect my tradition. Next time definitely I will, you know, I will come with sarees, silk saree. Thank you. Ellarku thank you.
Like, share and subscribe to indianewstamil.com.